Modding Fallout 3 and stumbled across SAN animation files in the game directory. These contain character and creature animation data for Bethesda's post-apocalyptic RPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through working with these Fallout 3 animation files. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken SAA. My top choices here, and we'll discuss more later. A game data file used by Bethesda's Fallout 3 and Fallout New Vegas to store character and object animation sequences. Modders and game enthusiasts often interact with SAN files to create or modify in-game animations, such as character movements or weapon handling, to enhance the gameplay experience. The SAN format is a proprietary binary file designed for the Gamebryo engine. It contains keyframe data, bone hierarchies, and timing information optimized for fast loading and real-time rendering by the game. This binary structure is compact and efficient, but requires specialized tools like the G.E.C.K for viewing and editing. Bethesda Game Studios defined Fallout 3 as the main handler for SAN files. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows cannot unwrap asset bundles or level data, so specialized tools must be used. To circumvent the initial application error, right-click the SAN file and choose Open With. Prioritize Fallout 3 if available. If absent, choose another application. We are looking for a successful file association. When your SAN file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Your system failed to open the SAN file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, opening with NifSkope. Download NifSkope from niftools.sourceforge.net, which provides comprehensive support for Gamebryo engine files, including SAN animations. Open the SAN file through File then Load and inspect the animation data structure. NifSkope displays bone hierarchies, keyframes, and animation parameters, allowing detailed examination of the animation content. Next, using the Creation Kit. Install the Fallout 3 Garden of Eden Construction Kit G.E.C.K from the Bethesda website. Launch the G.E.C.K and navigate to the Animation section to import and preview SAN animations on character models. The Construction Kit provides the official tooling for examining and modifying game animations within the proper development context. Finally, converting for modding. Use specialized animation conversion tools from the Fallout modding community, such as FNV Animation Converter or HKXCMD, to convert SAN animations to formats usable in Blender or 3ds Max. Once converted, modders can edit animations and re-import them into the game through the modding pipeline for custom character behaviors and movement. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.